How can one single strategy generate over 9000% net profit in 9 years with fees included? That's the question of today's video, and the answer is relatively simple. It's all about position sizing. As you might know, a few months ago I started developing my own strategy optimizer, which lets me create much better optimizations way faster. So today I'm bringing you a simplified version of one of our best optimization that this new optimizer produced, so far at least, and it's made for Ethereum USDT 1 hour chart. There are many great aspects of this strategy, but most importantly, first, the strategy is profitable across all Ethereum market data available on Binance, including before and after the optimization date ranges. And second, with the correct position sizing, this strategy was able to generate over 9000% net profit with 27% maximum drawdown. In this video, I will explain the full simplified version of optimization number 75 that produced these results. I will show you all the indicators needed, the entry and exit rules, then we will take a look at how different position sizing can affect the performance of the strategy, and we will take a deep dive into the backtest results. Also, if you want to try out the original version and all of our other premium scripts and optimizations, you can get access to them by becoming a Smart Trader tier member on our Patreon. Link is down in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, so here you can see the backtest results of this strategy. So since the beginning of this chart data on Binance, ETHUSDT 1 hour chart, which is 17th of August 2017, up until today's date, with a compounding position sizing, the performance is extraordinary. Over 9000% net profit with 27% maximum drawdown after 1200 trades with a 1.26 profit factor. Now, that blue line at the bottom is the buy and hold of Ethereum, and this green line is our strategy's performance. As you can see, at the end we have a bit of a drop down, but the optimization end date was actually the 1st of November, so somewhere around here. And since then, the price of Ethereum is just trending downwards. So in my opinion, when Ethereum starts performing good again, the equity curve will turn up instantly. But of course, I can't know for sure. So before going deeper into the backtest results, let's set the indicator, set up the correct parameter settings, and see the entry and exit rules. As I mentioned earlier, this is a simplified version of Strategy Optimization 75, and it uses only 4 indicators. So open up the Indicators tab, and let's add them to the chart. First type in ADX, add the average directional index, then type in stochastic, add the built-in stochastic indicator, then TDFI, add the trend directional force index, this one, and finally the NNFX ATR. Click on this one. Okay, let's quickly set up the correct parameters. For the NNFX ATR, X value should be 15, the take profit is 1.5 and the stop loss is 2.1. For the ADX, set the smoothing to 32, the DI length to 17. And go to the left side and choose a horizontal line and set it at the 37 level. If you double click on it, you can set up 37 for the horizontal line. Next up, the stochastic. For that, the percentage K length should be 7, the K smoothing 6, and the D smoothing 3. But for this strategy, actually, we only need the K line, so go to the Styles tab, untick the percentage D, the middle band, and set the upper band value to 76 and the lower band value to 29. Okay, and finally the TDFI. Lookback should be at 46, the filter high 0.09, and the filter low is negative 0.21. All of the indicators now correctly set up, so let's see the entry and exit rules. This strategy trades both longs and shorts, and I checked the backtest results, both performs well separately, so if you only want to take long entries, this strategy can do long entries only and is performing good. Or if you want to take only short entries, you just turn it into short only and it performs very well too. Okay, let's find the long entry first. So this is a valid long entry signal candle. For a valid long entry, first we need the ADX to be below, or it just have to broke above 37 on the current level. And in this case, the ADX is around 25, so that's well below the 37 level. The second rule is that the stochastic needs to be above the upper limit level. And that's because with our version 2 premium scripts, you have a new function to use mean reversion mode at most of the indicators. And while optimizing this strategy, the mean reversion mode worked better. So that means that the stochastic needs to be above the upper limit level, which is at 76. And as you can see, it's well above. And finally, the TDFI needs to be green. The TDFI is here at the bottom and it's green. So all the rules are met for a valid long entry. We can enter the trade at the next candle's open. And zooming in, let's set up the stop loss to the lower NNFX ATR led line right there. And the take profit to the upper blue NNFX ATR line. And in this case, this trade was a winning trade. The take profit was hit right there. So this is a fixed stop loss take profit level strategy. No trading stop losses, no forced exits. And it uses a 1 to 0.74 risk to reward ratio. It's a negative risk to reward ratio, but if you got high enough win rate, that's not a problem. Now let's see a short entry. Here we have a valid short entry signal candle. For a valid short entry, the ADX needs to be again below, or it just broke above the 37 ADX limit level. In this case, it's well below, so that's not a question. The stochastic needs to be below the lower limit, as we are using mean reversion mode. And this yellow line is the stochastic, and it's right below the lower limit. The TDFI needs to be red, and it is red on this candle. So all the rules are met for a short entry. We can take a short position at the open of the next candle, or the close of the current signal candle. Take profit will be at the lower blue NNFX ATR line and the stop loss at the upper red NNFX ATR line. And luckily this trade was again a winning trade. The take profit level was hit right there. So those are the rules of the simplified version of optimization number 75. If you don't want to mess around with checking all these rules all the time, you can get access to our highly customizable premium strategy script. And from now on, as the latest version 2 premium script release got out, you can simply just set up the optimization preset using the preset drop-down menu at the top. So you just click on this one, you set up the risk management you want to use, the trade direction and the trade handling. When I'm optimizing, I usually optimize for one trade at a time. Plus, in the Properties tab, you set up the commission, which is in this case 0.05%, and the 2-tick slippage, and you are good to go. Now let's see a deeper look into the backtest results, and let's see how different position sizing options change the results. So opening up the backtest results, first we are trying out what I showed you at the beginning, the 3.5% risk per trade, using the current capital, so a compounding position sizing. With that case, on the whole available backtest data, which starts from 2017, we got 9,000% net profit, 27% maximum drawdown, a 66% win rate, and 1.26 profit factor. Now obviously, this compounding setup will give you the most profit, but of course it gives you the highest drawdown, like this one. Now the reason I'm not worried about a drawdown like this is because compounding position sizing shows you an exponentially uptrending equity curve. So, for example, if we check the backtest results starting from 1st of August 2024, ending with the 13th of June 2025, you will see a similar huge drawdown, which now seems small on the chart. Let's check that out. So, 2024, 1st of August, and 2025, the 13th of June. So we are going to zoom on this area. And as you can see, in that area, as Ethereum was trending up and down, the strategy is barely break even. So that's why you always have to see the bigger picture, so always zoom out onto the bigger backtesting time intervals. Let's go back again to the entire history backtest results, and let's see another position sizing. So here I recommend 3 types of position sizing. The first one, which we just checked, the 3.5% risk per trade compounding. Now let's see the 6% risk per trade non-compounding. To set that up, just change the risk management to 6 and to initial capital non-compounding. And by the way, again, all of these strategy scripts, we have around almost 20 strategy scripts like this that are highly customizable, have a lot of options like force exits, dollar cost averaging, trend filters, momentum filters, volume filters, different date limiters like allow Monday trading and allow trading from 8 till 6 p.m. And of course, at the very bottom, the updated automation section, which now can handle almost every entry and exit signal. So to get access to this, head over to our Patreon, link is down in the description, and become a Smart Trader tier member today. Okay, let's update the results. And as you can see, the max drawdown got a bit bigger, and the net profit got a lot smaller, only 872%. The equity curve is still beautiful, it easily outperforms the buy and hold, and the profit factor is a bit higher, 1.329. And finally, what this strategy was originally optimized for is a very simple 10k entry on each trade on using a simple 20k per trade on each entry using a 10k account. So to set that up, just untick the Use Risk Management, go into the Properties tab, set the initial capital to 10,000 and the default order size to 20,000. Whenever this option is turned off, the script will use the Properties tab position sizing. Let's check the results. And with that original optimization, the max drawdown is very high, 61%, and it only generated 711% net profit. So despite the strategy was optimized for that position sizing, using a 3.5 risk per trade compounding position sizing is 10 times better. So again, access to these scripts that we have around 20 of is through our Patreon, link is down in the description. You have to become a Smart Trader tier member and you will get access to all of the scripts like this with all these advanced features and options and to our currently released 77 different optimizations. And that wraps up today's video. Let me know your thoughts about this strategy, and I'm also interested what position sizing do you use with your own strategies. Drop everything down in the comment section. If you want to try out all of our premium scripts, as of now we have around 20 different highly customizable and trading bot automation ready scripts, and all of our optimizations made for them, check out our Patreon and become a Smart Trader tier member. As always, thank you all for watching, don't forget to leave a like or dislike, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.